everybody, welcome to Cheers, y'all. I got a gimbal for Christmas, this past Christmas, and I put my phone on it and it follows me around and like I'm doing, look at this, like is this not amazing? Whoa, there it goes, there it goes. What I'm gonna do today is we're gonna learn how to make a pomegranate fizz. Right here, pomegranate fizz. My friend Sandra had this at a restaurant. I believe it was Local 463. She sort of figured out what was in it, and I made a few little tweaks to it just to give it that craft cocktail spin. I hope you enjoy it. Great summer drink. This is what you'll need. All right, guys, so the first thing that you need is a cocktail shaker. We're actually gonna start with this with no ice, dry. Something really special happens with the egg white that we're going to use when you shake it up dry. Y'all know how when you just get the egg white, when you separate the yolk from the white, sometimes it messes up. And so we're going to start with that, because we don't want to waste any of these liquors. All right, so this drink has an egg white in it. So I know y'all are probably thinking, wait, what? It has a what? It has a what? Yeah, it has an egg white. So there we go. It's in there. I got all my yellow here. So we're going to just put that to the side, to the garbage. I'm going to go ahead and add the lemon juice. Y'all, what we're going to add is 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. This lemon juice, in essence, sort of cooks that egg white, so don't worry about any sort of sickness that you might get, because I just put 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice in there, and that's going to take care of that. All right, so to that we're going to add absolute citron. Y'all, this is such a great thing. I mean, you need this to make good Cosmos. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 2.5 ounces. There's 2, and here's my little half. I love my little measuring things here. All right, so my jiggers. All right, so we have 2.5 ounces of absolute citron, or any sort of lemon vodka would be fine. Okay, so this is key to make a pomegranate fizz. You're gonna need PAMA. Okay, this is pomegranate liqueur. We're gonna add 1.5 ounces. So that's right up to the top of my little shaker lid. Here we go, 1.5 ounces. All right, and then to all of that, we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Cointreau is kind of sweet, and so it's an orange liqueur, and we're just gonna add 1/2 ounce to that. And then finally, we're gonna add simple syrup. But let me tell y'all this. If you can, make your own simple syrup. It's just 1-to-1 sugar to water, 1-to-1. Just melt a cup of sugar with a cup of water, and you can do such fun things. What I've done here is I have made cucumber simple syrup. As that sugar is melting down on the stove and that water, I just added a little bit of cucumber, and even when I took that lid off, oh my word, it smells so much like cucumber, and I thought that might be really refreshing and delightful in this. So instead of just 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, we're adding 1/2 ounce of cucumber simple syrup. Of course, you can just add plain simple syrup. Vanilla simple syrup might be really delightful. We're gonna put the lid on that and shake it up. And y'all, we need to shake this up such a long time. The longer you can shake it, the fluffier it's gonna be. So excuse me while I go shake this up for like 3 minutes. Do you see how frothy that is? That is really pretty. Now to that, I'm gonna add a lot of ice. I'm gonna just fill this up with ice, just like that. And then I put the top on and we're gonna shake it again. So I have shaken this up for a really long time. Like I said, the longer you shake it, the fluffier it's gonna be. There's also something, y'all, called a reverse dry shake, where you start with the ice and then you remove the ice and shake it dry after the ice. I haven't quite figured out how to do that cleanly, but if you can do that, it really is a really fluffy drink. So I have my martini glass here. One final little shake, and you will not believe just how, look at that. Wow. Ooh, it's a little full. Full is good, right? Better than skimping. So there we go. That's Pomegranate Fizz. So delicious. So here it is, our very full Pomegranate Fizz. It's so good. Y'all, if you do not like cucumbers, you can definitely use any other kind of simple syrup. Use that cinnamon simple syrup that we used on that Christmas drink that I made. That would be delicious. Vanilla simple syrup, lots, but this just gave it sort of a summer flavor, and I am just loving summer right now. So cheers, y'all.